Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Tidywittoya. This is your girl Toya. If you are a returner, thank you for coming week after week and sticking with me on this YouTube journey. If you are a new person, my name is Toya. I create really lifestyle content. I have some cleaning videos, some organizing videos, some day in the life vlog type videos, and then I also have just ventured into cash stuffing, and so this is really a lifestyle channel. So this is a channel where you get every little piece of Latoya's life, wherever it comes, and whatever it may be. And so if this is something that interests you, make sure you stay tuned.
Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. To the bank like ha 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 ha. Yeah, I got anything.
Okay, so in this video I'm gonna do a check-in with you all, and then also budget my my side hustle income, as well as some money that hubby is giving me for a couple bills that are coming up due here very soon. So I have already ironed out the budget, and so actually what I'll do is zoom in so you can see. Okay, so here at the top, as far as income, we have hubby, which is giving $395. He should have just added that extra 5 in, y'all, to make it 400, but you know, we'll cross that bridge later. My side hustle, if everything works out with that, will be 100. And that will bring my total income to $495. Now, I am paid monthly, but I do have a side hustle, and then hubby also provides money for some for his portion of the bills, and then also for groceries. So this is kind of what this this paycheck is going to be for. So Evergy is due, actually Evergy was due today, and today, oh goodness, today's the 8th? Yes, today's the 8th, so I'll put 9/8, and it has been paid. So Evergy was due today. That is our electricity for $111.37, and then Wi-Fi is due on the 13th, and that comes out automatically, and that will bring our bill total to $181.37. Bring our bill total to $181.37, and then that will leave $313.63 remaining. And then as far as cash envelopes, going to be putting $200 in groceries. This is actually our Costco run month, and so hubby is putting $200 towards our Costco run. I'm going to put $20 in eating out and coffee, and that is going to bring my total, I added that up wrong, y'all, at first, to $220, and then remaining will be $93.63. And then we come back down, we come over here to our sinking funds. Now for our sinking funds, we are putting 20 in side hustle, and that is just so I can get some supplies and things that I need for any upcoming side hustle ventures. I'm putting 15 in travel. That is for me and hubby to go on a trip for our 5-year wedding anniversary. I'm putting 20 in family celebrations. The twins' birthday is coming up in April, and then also hubby's birthday is in October. I'm putting $7 in taxes. We have to renew one of our car's tags in December. I'm putting $5 towards stockpile. Now, if you have looked at any of my other videos, stockpile is something new, and I created that because one of our local grocery stores, each day of the week has a different like sale happening, right? And so like this past week they had baby carrots for 88 cents, and then they had sugar for like $1.48 or something like that. And so I wanted to create this so that I didn't use grocery money for the stockpile, but that if there were any sales that came up, that I could, you know, go grab those couple items and have those for the family. So that is where that came from. And then Tidywittoya, which is my YouTube page, will get $5 as well. And that will take my total to $72 with $21.63 remaining. And then as far as savings for emergency, I'm putting $18 towards emergency, $3 towards my dollar challenge. Move that over a little bit. And then I'm just putting an extra 63 cents in the buffer, just leaving that in my account for a total of $21.63. And that's how much we had, which means that we have zero left. So that is a zero-based budget. So as long as everything works out with my side hustle this weekend, everything should be good to go. I will also do a haul for whatever items that we get from Costco as well. So if that's something that you want to see, let me know in the comments. I know I sound like a little raspy. I was actually a little sick today. I feel better now, but I'm still kind of recovering. I really think it was my body's saying to me, sis, we tired. Let's have a rest, because I slept a lot of today. So and then also the twins are getting over being sick, and so that one thing, if you ever want to have children, please know whenever they get sick, you will more likely than not get sick. So I've just had to prepare myself for that, having toddlers now. But at any rate, I also wanted to show you all a couple changes that I made in my binders, which I think will help me out a lot. I've been looking at a lot of other YouTubers, and so I've been making some changes as I see fit. And so I want to show you what those changes are. My high priority sinking funds, right? So in this binder, we have emergency funds. We have the twins 529 funds, travel. I changed birthday to family celebrations because this is going to include the twins' birthdays, my hubby's birthday, our anniversary. Even though it says birthday gift fund, I may find another tracker for that, but I just named it family celebrations. Taxes for, you know, anything tax related, whether it's for my car or whether it's for filing taxes at the end of the year. I think that one was already in there. Car was in there. Costco run was in there. I think the twins were in there already. I was in there. I feel like hubby was in there, but if not, hubby has been added too because we can't leave him out. Okay. And then for our sinking funds, mid priority binder, which is something new. Mid priority I did not have originally, so this is something that I added and just kind of updated my binders. So the first category we have is date nights. That was something that I added, and it was funny when my husband saw this. He was like, "Oh, are these the date nights that you're going to pay for?" I was like, "Ha, real funny," but yeah, maybe. But you can also contribute to this folder as well. Stockpile, which I will be stuffing in my next video. Side hustle, I think that was in there. Tidywittoya. So what I did with this one was I actually put in a YouTube subscribers challenge, just to keep track of all the subscribers that I get. And so I will link where I got this, what Etsy shop I got this from, on the screen and in the description box, but just wanted to show you all that. And so I really need to add to this folder because I'm already behind. As you can see, buffer was already there, clothes was already there, although I'm going to change clothes to shopping, and then health was already in there. Alrighty, and then I have my sinking funds low priority binder, and I think gifts was in there already. house was in there. For the culture was in there. So I added Target just because I'm always in Target, and sometimes I make a list and I have to go 3 different places, and so I would just rather have a Target binder that I can just stuff money into. Let me know in the comments, for those of you that do cash stuffing, if you have like separate folders for stores that you frequent that aren't the grocery stores, perhaps. But yeah, just let me know in the comments. So I made one for Target. I made one for Twins Activities because we are looking at getting them into some stuff when they turn 3. And so this is just to stuff towards that. Home Depot. I'm always finding myself in Home Depot for something or another. So yeah, I made a folder for that at any rate. And then Amazon, same thing with Target. Like some things I get at Amazon, some things I get at Target. Like it just depends. And so I just decided that maybe it would be beneficial to start a folder for that, an envelope for that. So, but those are my updates. I am keeping track of my spending, and let me tell you that your girl has already gone over the grocery budget, but that's a conversation that me and my husband are having, so that we're better prepared for next month. But like I said, I'm just now starting out, and so these are all, you know, learning objectives for us as a family. But as I've stated before, you know, in a previous video, for groceries, I use the Ibotta app, which I will link in the description box and also on the screen. I also use Fetch Rewards that I'll link on the screen and in the description box. Definitely use my code if these are apps that you want to try out. It's very beneficial because really, I mean, at the end of the day, it's free money, you know, whether it's 10 cents or whether it's $20, like it's free money. So for my gas, I use the Upside app, which I will put on the screen and also in the description box below. And if you use my code, you get points and then I get points as well. So definitely encourage you to use that to get cash back on the gas that is already high. Maybe going down in some places, but some places not. Just depends on where you are. Anyway, thank you all for watching this video today. Definitely, if you liked this content and want to see more, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit me up in the comments and let me know you were here watching. But until the next cash stuffing, see you later. As always, keep it tidy. Bye.
Laugh it to the bank like, ha 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 ha.